Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of pistachio tres leches cake. Tres leches cake is also known as 3-milk cake, and this time I have infused pistachio flavor into it. This is soft, super moist and delicious cake. This tres leches cake has a pistachio flavored sponge cake and 3-milk sauce. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to prepare pistachio sponge cake. Take half cup of pistachio and grind it into a fine powder. Use good quality of pistachio for this cake. I'm going to bake the cake in this 8-inch baking dish, so I'm greasing it with oil. Take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour in a strainer. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In goes 2 pinch of baking soda. Sift the dry ingredients so that everything combines well. I have grinded half a cup of pistachio and adding it to the flour mix. Mix it gently so that everything combines well. The dry ingredient is ready now. Take 3 eggs and beat well using an electric beater. Once it turns frothy, add in 3/4 cup of sugar. We have to add sugar little by little and continue beating. The egg mix has doubled in volume and looks cream in color, so this is the right consistency. Now add in 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Beat it slightly so that everything combines well. I have taken pistachio mix and add in 10 to 15 drops. The pistachio mix has green color in it. Now add in the flour mix little by little and mix well. We need half a cup of hot milk. Add in the flour mix and the hot milk alternatively and mix the batter gently. The pistachio flavored sponge cake batter is ready now. Pour the batter into the baking dish. Give it a tap so that the air bubbles goes off. Bake the cake for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. When you insert the cake tester, it should come out clean. Pistachio sponge cake is baked perfectly. Well, the baking time of the cake completely depends on your oven type. For the milk sauce, I am preparing evaporated milk. Take 1.5 cups of milk in a saucepan and reduce it to 1 cup. If you get store-bought evaporated milk mix, you can skip this step. The milk has boiled and has reduced well. Now 1.5 cups of milk is reduced to 1 cup. Strain the evaporated milk. Cool the evaporated milk slightly and add a 3/4 cup of condensed milk. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Now add in 1 cup of thick fresh cream. Amul fresh cream tastes best for this cake. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of pista mix. Pistachio flavored 3-milk sauce is ready now. I'm going to soak the cake with the milk sauce. For that, break the sponge cake with a fork like this. Now pour the sauce evenly on the cake. The cake will be completely soaked with the pistachio milk sauce. I have reserved nearly 150 ml of milk sauce, which we'll be using while serving the cake. Cover the cake and the sauce with a cling film and refrigerate it for overnight or 3 to 4 hours. The cake is cooled down perfectly and now let's decorate it. I have taken 3/4 cup of whipping cream in a piping bag. Pipe the whipping cream on top of the cake. I am giving small rosette shape. You can design as per your wish. Pistachio tres leches cake has beautifully turned out. Let's garnish the cake with few finely chopped pistachios and rose petals. Sprinkle the pistachios and the rose petals on top of the whipped cream. Beautiful pistachio flavored Tres leches cake is ready to be served now. Tres leches cake is spongy, moist and so delicious. I'll slice a piece of cake and show to you how moist it looks inside. I have already shared rose milk as well as vanilla flavored Tres leches cake. I'll leave the recipe link in the description below. Drizzle the cake with the milk sauce so that it takes the cake to the next level. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. Do try this delicious pistachio Tres leches cake and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.